Welcome to the world of Team Valorant. Let's dive into connecting with friends and enhancing your gameplay experience. First, open the main menu. Click on the Social tab. Here's where your friends list lives. Next, click Add Friend. Enter your friend's username or tag, and hit Enter to send a request. You can search for friends by checking recent matches or through their player card, making it easy to connect. Now, wait for your friend to accept your request. Once they do, you both can squad up. Enjoy playing together and make some epic memories. Happy gaming! You can also send invites through your friend's Discord or directly from your game client. Customize your friend settings for a better experience. Tailor notifications to fit your style. Make sure to check your friends' online status. Team up when they're ready for battle. Interact with friends. Chat in-game or strategize through voice channels for optimal teamwork. Refine your approach every game. Your friends will appreciate your teamwork. Keep adding friends and growing your squad. The more, the merrier.